as I'm sitting here working on new material for you, I remembered I have to pick a winner for the BE collaboration that we did last week. Loaded 52 comments. Yay! 52 comments loaded. Now let's pick a winner. Oh, by Mimi with love. Congratulations. Please contact me so I can get your address and send you over the stamp sets. My email address is in the description below. Congratulations, Mimi. Oops, something went wrong. We are sorry. Please refresh and try again. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Does this not work on a phone?